Have you ever wondered how safe your home really is? We all want to make sure that our homes are protected from criminals, and one of the best ways to do that is with a quality security camera. Although it cannot physically stop a person from breaking into your home, a good security camera can at least allow you to see who is trying to break in and can be a game changer in helping police catch the culprit. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best outdoor security cameras, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor security cameras from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Ring Floodlight Cam. The Ring Floodlight Cam is a 1080p HD security camera with motion-activated LED floodlights, a 105 decibel security siren, a two-way talk system, and customizable motion zones. You will get motion-activated notifications on your phone, tablet, or computer, and be able to check in at home anytime with the Live View feature all in the Ring app. Its color night vision and LED floodlights allow you to eliminate blind spots or dark areas, and you can easily hardwire the camera to the outside of your home and connect it to Wi-Fi for around-the-clock power and peace of mind. Next on our list is the Google Nest Cam with Floodlight. The Google Nest camera with Floodlight has built-in intelligence that can tell the difference between a person, animal, and vehicle and send alerts directly through the Google Home app with no extra subscription fee required. You can easily check in from anywhere 24/7, and if your Wi-Fi goes down or there's a power outage, Nest Cam will store up to an hour of recorded events, so you can see what you missed. Plus, the camera will automatically light up when there's an important activity, and it can even detect familiar faces with a Nest-aware subscription. Coming in at number 3 is the Arlo Pro 3. The Arlo Pro 3 is a versatile security camera that delivers 2K HD video with color night vision and a 160-degree field of view. It features two-way audio for real-time communication and boasts an impressive battery life of up to 6 months on a single charge. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it can also be continuously powered with an optional outdoor magnetic charging cable, ensuring reliable home security around the clock. At number 4, we have the UfiCam 2C. The UfiCam 2C is a wireless home security system that features 1080p HD video and night vision, making it ideal for both day and night monitoring. With an impressive 180-day battery life on a single charge, this camera system ensures long-lasting performance without the hassle of frequent recharging. It is powered by a rechargeable battery, and users can also utilize optional solar panels for continuous power. Additionally, the UfiCam 2C is IP67 weatherproof and compatible with HomeKit, providing reliable security without any monthly fees. Last, number 5, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery. The Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery is a weather-resistant outdoor security camera that offers 1080p HD video, color night vision, and two-way talk capabilities. It features advanced motion alerts and integrates seamlessly with Alexa for voice control. This camera is powered by a rechargeable quick-release battery pack, which can last between 6 to 12 months on a single charge, depending on usage. Additionally, you have the option to connect it to an indoor-outdoor power adapter or a solar panel for continuous power, ensuring reliable surveillance year-round. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.